Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 6th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still am looking at this as an uptrend. I think we're finally starting to prove that it is going up. I do believe that this is going to be a nice five-way pattern to the upside. I think it most likely is going to eventually go up and take out these highs. I think there's a pretty good likelihood that this is going to go up to at least one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave one. I still think this middle section right here is an expanding flat wave two. I think that this right here is the beginning of a wave three, like a one of three. I believe this is a two of three, and I think there's a pretty good likelihood that we are going up already for a wave three to form that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is right here is very, very clearly a five-wave uptrend, probably like a wave one, but most likely. This move down definitely kind of resembles a trend more than a correction, but I think it most likely is a correction. I think it's a motive wave correction, like a wave two, and I think there's a pretty good likelihood that this is over the coming weeks and coming months probably going to continue the uptrend for a wave three. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see a nice uptrend right here. Most likely this is a 1. We have a nice impulsive down, wave A, a nice little 3-wave correction, wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 waves down for wave C. I believe that right there is the end of the correction, and as you can see, we are definitely still making higher highs, higher lows. I don't really think that this is over, especially if this really is a wave 3 on the higher time frames. Most likely what is to happen is it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up, telling me that I definitely want to keep on looking for longs at the end of pullbacks, especially on a little bit of a shorter time frame. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, man, we had another nice end of the correction. If you watched my PM recap video last night, you probably got in this trade because I said if it makes one, two, three waves down, if it makes impulsive engulfing to the upside, that was going to be another entry to go long for me. And man, it did exactly like we said. Now it is trending back up. It is definitely too late to go long now. I would definitely not try to get long now. But at some point, it doesn't have to do it now. It could easily just keep on going up. But at some point, when we get another correction, another ABC pullback, that's where I will look to get in again to add to the position for the continuation of this uptrend. I am definitely just going to continue to go long at the end of every pullback I see on these sort of time frames until the higher roadmap time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.